morning, everybody. In the world of YouTube, it's a brand new Monday morning. We have a brand new load of GMCs to do. The first one that we're going to, I'm probably going to split this into two videos. So the first truck that we're going to do is a 2024 Denali Ultimate. This is a 3500. We're going to be doing the 7-inch McGaughys lift kit with some 24-inch KG1 Forged Buckler wheels and some 35-inch Nitto Recon Grapplers. I'm gonna have to be quick about this one, so take a look at the truck and tell me what you think. As I'm out here showing the first truck, the 2024 Denali Ultimate 3500, we have the second truck, which is a 2024 Denali Ultimate 2500, also getting a McGaughys lift kit. I also wanted to add in that this truck is from St. Pete or Clearwater Beach, Florida, Tampa. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's one of those three places. He drove all night and he was here at 8 o'clock, so his truck gets pulled in first. So I can already tell that this is going to get really confusing, but I'm shooting two videos the same day at the same time for the identical same truck, and I'm going to cut it into two separate videos. So next one here, this is a 2024 Denali HD 2500. This truck is getting the 7-inch McGaughys lift kit, 24x12 KG1 Elevate in the black and milled finish with 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler. So this ought to be a nice truck when it's done. So we got a Monday full of Denali's on our hands. The 3500 here, 2500 here. This truck is going to be getting essentially everything that the truck next to it is getting. This is about to get really confusing for everybody. I was going to do two videos. I said that earlier in the clip, but I know it's going to be too confusing to do now, so we're doing the truck simultaneously, so I'm going to shoot the video simultaneously. They're both getting 7-inch McGaughys lift kits, yes. One is a 3500, one is a 2500. One's getting black 24-inch 24x12 KG1s, and the other truck is getting polished 24x12 KG1s. This is the truck that's getting the polished. That's the truck that's getting the black. This truck is getting a 37-inch Nitto tire, where this truck is getting a 35-inch Nitto tire. So you're gonna see the difference of the amount of trimming that you're gonna need from one truck to the other. I guess I'm gonna embrace the situation of there being two trucks here so I can make a comparative video versus two separate videos on the same exact thing I usually do. So stay tuned for this one. So here we have a 24x12 KG1 Buckler. This is a brand new wheel for 2024. It's in the high polish finish. This is one of the Legend series wheels in the KG1 catalog versus the concave series. And basically what it means is this area of the wheel is flat in relationship to the front and back of the wheel. Creates a bigger, deeper lip on the wheel that you can see. Very, very nice on this one. Comparatively speaking, this is a 24x14, but it's a concave, so it shows, you can see the lean of the spokes. They come back toward the lip. Creates a cool effect, but it does take away from the lip a little bit on the wheel. So that is the difference between Legend series or flat face and concave wheels. This is what's going on our our 3500. We have the 24x12 KG1 Elevate in the black and milled finish. Here, this is what's going on our 2500. So I know you're watching this video at home and you're doing the math here. Both trucks are getting a 7-inch lift kit. Both trucks are getting 24x12 wheels. As you see, one truck is getting a 37-inch Nitto and the other truck is getting a 35-inch Nitto. Now, ultimately what the difference is going to be at the end is the amount of trimming that we have to do on one truck versus the other. So we'll have less trimming on the 3500 and we'll have a little bit more trimming on our 2500. So either way, the trucks are going to look good and ride good. Just let me know what you think looks better after the cut job. Here's a little better comparison of the wheel. These are both brand new KG1 designs for 2024. And if you're in the market for wheels and you can't decide between polished or chrome wheels and black and milled wheels, here's the difference. With the black and milled, you get the silver edges on the inside of the spokes. Gives a really good contrast and it matches really well with the McGaughys lift kit. Whereas the polish, I believe, goes with just about anything in every color. Personal favorite of mine is the polish, but there are certain vehicles where the black looks better. That's a good one, right? It's the first one you've ever seen like this?
Maybe.
Guys, we are day 2 of our double Denali ultimate build. Everything's coming along pretty good on it. One of the customers is from, Orlando. I said yesterday in the video that it was Tampa, but he is from Orlando. He has to get back to town. He has a super important meeting to do today, so we all got here a little bit early this morning. We're gonna finish his truck up first, and then we're gonna work on the second truck. His is the 3500 that's getting the polished KG1 Forged wheels, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can get him out of here. He needs to be out of here by 10 a.m. and right now it's 8. So I'll give you updates as it happens and just see what happens really. KG1 is ready and complete, about to head back to Florida. This is the 3500 build. I have to say it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate 3500. This one has the gloss black color match fender flares with the tinted turn signals. We did the 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit. We set it at 9 inches. These are the upper control arms with the all new stainless steel face plates on them. We did the McGaughys upgraded reservoir style shocks. There's your McGaughys cross member as usual. Look at the angles at 7 inches. It's amazing. It's near flat, perfect. You will never have any kind of issues with the CV axles. Truck will also drive amazing at 7. It's a lot softer of a ride. The wheels we did are the 24x12 KG1 Forged Bucklers in the high polish finish, paired up nicely with a 35-12-50-24 Nitto Recon Grappler. This is the best all-terrain tire that we offer. It is the smoothest riding tire and the longest lasting. Best thing on the market. It's a 55,000 mile warranty right now. In the back, instead of cutting the mud flap, what we did was replaced it with a finishing cap from sharptruck.com. This completely covers up the hole that the mud flap will leave if you remove it. So very, very, very minor trimming on this. Notice that the plug is still there. If we would have went 37s, that would have all be gone. So I think it's a complete look with the 35s personally. Just let me know what you think in the comments. And guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. We are gonna go back to the 2500 and finish it. Say hey to David.
Just be easy, man. Just be easy.
Turn the bumper off, John. It's fine.
Damn. I said be fucking easy.
How much you trimmed it?
Well, our truck with the 37s is ready to go. The 24x12 KG1 Elevate's in the black and milled finish. Truck's headed back out of town today. This will be the last time we get to see it, so tell me what you think. Once again, this is a 2024 GMC 2500 Denali Ultimate HD. We went with the 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit. Shocker. This truck is set at the 7-inch adjustment. There's no add-ons like the upper control arms that you would typically see, but these do work fine in the place of them at 7 inches, no problem. You know, this kit comes right out of the box with the stainless steel inserts in the front kicker braces and in the front cross member. You can add the traction bars to the rear if you want, but it's not mandatory. It's not really a functional part as much as it's a look part. So if you're on a budget and you want to get this build in under maybe $15,000, this is the way to go. There's endless options that we could add to this to make the price go up and the look go better, but this is all you need to really be in the game. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. I'm at the shop every day, 678-994-9180. Thanks for watching.